Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to easily embed a survey into your Mailchimp email step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly how to get your survey in front of your subscribers, but you'll also understand why this tool is such a game changer for gathering feedback, learning what your audience thinks, or even just making your emails more interactive and engaging. So let's jump right in and get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up your Mailchimp account and head over to the email you'd like to add your survey to. If you're already working on a campaign, you'll want to make sure you're in the design phase, the part where you're actually building and editing your email content. Think of this as laying out your digital newsletter or announcement, deciding where everything should go on the page. Being in the right place in Mailchimp is important because that's where you have access to all the blocks and tools you'll need. Once you're in the email design view, take a look over at the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see what are called content blocks. These are basically little building pieces like digital Lego bricks that you can use to customize your email. Everything from images to text boxes, buttons, and of course surveys lives in these content blocks. If you haven't used them before, don't worry, they're designed to be really intuitive. Now here, where it gets interesting, find the block labeled Survey, go ahead and click it. Don't worry if it takes you a second to spot. It usually has an icon that looks like a little checklist or form. When you click on it, you'll be able to drag and drop this survey block anywhere you'd like in your email. Maybe you want it right after your introductory message, or maybe down at the end as a call to action. You can experiment with placement to see what feels most natural for your readers. Dragging and dropping is as easy as it sounds. Just click, hold, and let go where you want. And if you change your mind later, you can always move it around. Once your survey block is in place, you'll see a prompt that says something like Select Survey. Go ahead and click that. This is Mailchimp's way of letting you pick which survey you want to link or embed. If you've already created your survey ahead of time, you should see it show up in the list here. For this walkthrough, let's say you've got one called Mailchimp Survey Tutorial. Simply select it from the list. If for some reason it's not there, take a minute to make sure it's published and ready in your Mailchimp account. It needs to exist before you can attach it. And just like that, you're all set. The survey is now built right into your email. You don't need any complicated coding or extra plugins. Your readers will see the survey right in the message and they can respond with just a few clicks. Realistically, this whole process takes just a few minutes, but inviting feedback or input with a survey can help you build trust and improve your content over time. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about Mailchimp or want to see more email marketing tips, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.